Photography enthusiasts, listen up. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is about to change the game in ways we never imagined. With leaks revealing jaw-dropping specs, 2025 could mark a turning point for crop sensor cameras, making even some full-frame options look outdated. If you're as excited about cameras as I am, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because today we're diving deep into the leaked specifications of the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. Let's start with the heart of the camera, the sensor. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II will feature a 32.5 megapixel stacked APS-C CMOS sensor. But this isn't just about cramming in more megapixels, it's a breakthrough in sensor architecture. This stacked design offers two key benefits: faster readout speeds and improved light gathering efficiency. What does that mean for you? Better low-light performance and reduced rolling shutter for both photos and videos. Thanks to Canon's new enhanced dual-gain output technology, every pixel has dual readout paths, one optimized for bright scenes and the other for low light. This ensures stunning dynamic range and color accuracy, no matter the shooting conditions. Speed is where this camera truly shines. With an electronic shutter, you can shoot up to 40 frames per second and 15 FPS with the mechanical shutter. Imagine capturing a peregrine falcon in a high-speed dive, every wing beat frozen in perfect detail. And with an upgraded buffer, you won't have to worry about your camera slowing down during those action-packed moments. Whether it's sports, wildlife, or street photography, the EOS R7 Mark II is built to keep up. Video creators, this one's for you. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II supports 4K at 120 frames per second and even external 6K ProRes RAW recording. This is a game changer for filmmakers, offering unparalleled flexibility in post-production. This isn't just about resolution, it's about processing power. Canon has equipped this camera with dual processors, allowing for seamless video recording without dropped frames. Canon is taking stabilization to the next level with advanced sensor shift 5-axis image stabilization, offering up to 7 stops of shake correction. Think handheld shots that look like they were shot on a gimbal. And the autofocus? Canon's new AI-driven dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is nothing short of revolutionary. It doesn't just track subjects, it understands them. Whether it's a bird in flight, a sprinter, or even a car on a racetrack, this system uses advanced algorithms to analyze movement patterns, making it faster and more accurate than ever before, possibly even surpassing Sony's acclaimed real-time tracking technology. Canon hasn't overlooked the details. The 3.69 million dot OLED viewfinder and 1.6 million dot vari-angle LCD touchscreen ensure you never miss a shot, whether you're shooting from ground level or above your head. Dual SD card slots with parallel writing, advanced Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and even a new multifunction shoe for future accessories. All of this makes the EOS R7 Mark II a forward-thinking powerhouse. So when can we expect this marvel? According to leaks, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II might hit shelves in mid to late 2025. However, if Canon prioritizes their full-frame lineup, we could be looking at early 2026. Either way, this gives them time to perfect these groundbreaking features. This isn't just another incremental upgrade, it's Canon's bold statement about the future of photography. Are you as excited about the Canon EOS R7 Mark II as we are? Today, we're diving into all the juicy details, leaks, and rumors surrounding the much-anticipated Canon EOS R6 Mark III. From potential release dates to groundbreaking new features, there's a lot to unpack. Whether you're a photographer, a videographer, or just a camera enthusiast, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's get started. First, let's rewind for a moment. The Canon EOS R6, released back in 2020, quickly became a fan favorite. Why? Because it struck the perfect balance between performance, versatility, and price. It wasn't just for professionals, it appealed to enthusiasts too, thanks to its approachable feature set. Now, fast forward to today, and the EOS R6 Mark III is rumored to take everything we loved about its predecessor and elevate it to new heights. So, what exactly can we expect? Let's start with the big question. When is it coming out? According to leaks, Canon is aiming for a launch in the first quarter of 2025. If history is any guide, the announcement could line up with CP+, one of the biggest camera trade shows in the world. As for the price, we're looking at a ballpark figure of around $2,500 to $3,000. While it's not the cheapest, it's well positioned to compete in the high-performance mirrorless market. Now, onto the specs. And trust me, there's a lot to get excited about. First up, the sensor. While it's still 24 megapixels, Canon is rumored to use the new LC1720 sensor. This promises improvements in dynamic range and low-light performance, making it perfect for everything from dimly lit events to vibrant landscapes. And stabilization? We're talking 8.5 stops of image stabilization. Imagine handheld shooting without needing a tripod or gimbal. It's a game changer for photographers and videographers alike. For those who shoot action, the R6 Mark III's 30 frames per second raw electronic shutter is a standout feature. Whether it's sports or wildlife, capturing fast-moving subjects will be easier than ever. Pair that with rumored neural network noise reduction, and you're looking at crisp, clean images, even at high ISO. Video shooters, this one's for you. The R6 Mark III is rumored to support Cinema 4K at 120 frames per second and 6K oversampled Cinema 4K. This means ultra-sharp footage and buttery smooth slow motion without sacrificing quality. There's even talk of Cinema Raw light support for 6K and 4K recording. Oh, and let's not forget the full-sized HDMI port, a much-needed upgrade for external recording setups. Canon is also stepping up its game with usability. For the first time, we're getting a flip-to-tilt screen, a feature borrowed from competitors like Sony and Panasonic. It's versatile for both vloggers and traditional photographers. And the back screen? It's switching to OLED. That means deeper blacks, better contrast, and more accurate colors. Finally, catching up with Nikon and Sony in this department. Of course, not everything is perfect. Some features like Eye Control AF won't be making a comeback, at least not with the R6 Mark III. And videographers hoping for C-Log 2 might be disappointed too. It seems Canon is reserving those features for higher-end models like the EOS R5 Mark II or the elusive EOS R1. So, is the Canon EOS R6 Mark III worth the wait? Based on these leaks, it's shaping up to be an incredible upgrade, refining what made the R6 so popular while adding meaningful improvements for photographers and videographers alike. Now, we'll just have to wait and see if Canon delivers on these rumors. Let us know in the comments what feature you're most excited about. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates as we get closer to the official launch.